Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another SB unboxing. This time it is, if you've read the title you will know exactly what it is. It's the Wacko Maria blazer. Let's get to it and pull for freshness. Am I going to be able to do this without messing it up? No. There we go. I'm in. This is my first Nike win, like in the app, on my app, not Mr. B's, just to make that clear, for nearly a year, people. A whole year. The last pair I got were the Travis Scott's AF1s. So we have, coming over to the camera here, we have the Nike SB Rainbow Box, and these are Nike SB Zoom Blazer Low GTQS Quick Strike. They are black, light bone white. Whew, got that too close, can't actually read it. Light bone, yeah, anyway, I said that. They are a UK 6.5, which makes them a US 7.5. Again, I went up half size, which makes them a European 40.5. And the code is DA7257001. Let's get to it. So I was like, I knew I wanted these, but I wasn't sure how nice they would be, and they are nice. They are nice. Look at that, people. That is a really nice blazer. Gum sole, which always works with black. Really nice black suede. I haven't got any black suede sneakers actually. And a bit of snakeskin. Looks like the leftovers of the sole and blazer from last year they've used on this. Then at the back you've got Nike and you've got some Japanese writing. Super nice. Just nice and plain. I know some people are like, these boring, and I'm like, yeah, but that's why I like them, because they're just a great blazer. Great blazer. Just going to get the other one out. Let's have a look. See if there's anything else in here. Right, get the box out of the way. Sorry, Mr. B's like moaning at me for rustle. So this is just getting the other one out. So we got black laces as standard in there. Got white, just normal, really thin actually. Really thin white laces in the lace bag. I don't think I'll be doing a lace swap. Then on the tab it just says we've got Blazer Low, which you can see there. I'm just going to bring up the other sneaker again, just so that you can have a proper look on this camera. So as you can see, that is such a nice black. Sometimes a black suede can be like not a real true black, but under these lights this looks really good. I like at the top here you got the white eyelets as well, just finished off. Just really nice blazer. There you go. I knew if I didn't get these it'd be like the bruised peach all over again. I would have been kind of gutted. And Wacko Maria, if you don't know, it's a shop in Japan, so this is another SB collaboration. There have been so many this year, and this is just really nice. We'll just go back to the middle camera. I'm just going to have a look inside as well, just to see if there's anything else in there. All you've really got is Zoom Air, Guilty Parties, Nike SB. That's all it says on the inside. You can see that. Can you see that? No, you can't. No, you can't. We'll come over to this camera. There you go. There you go. You can now see it. In fact, this camera really looks good. Snaky snakeskin. It's really the back as well. Wow, it's picking everything up. We'll go back to the middle. Now, there were two pairs in this pack. The blazer and the Janoski. I didn't get the Janoski, and I think I'm going to have like proper regret for not getting those. But I keep saying it, I can't buy every single pair of sneakers. So Mr. B has got the Janoski. So we're going to see those as well when he unboxes. So a really nice pack. Super pleased I got these. As I said, I went up half a size again, because I found, particularly on blazers, the sizing's been a little bit on the tight side recently. These look pretty decent though, size-wise. So yeah, really looking forward to trying these on. Did you get anything in this pack? I know there's a bit of hype around it, But it didn't feel that this particular drop had anywhere near as hype as any of the other SBs this year, let's be honest. I think it's mainly because it was just a Janoski and a Blazer. I don't think the hype was there for those two. But they did seem to sell out pretty much everywhere that stocked them. As I said, some people thought it was a bit of a boring release, but just a really nice, clean release, in my opinion. So let me know if you got these. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think. Did you get these or the Janoskis? Yeah, let us know your thoughts on them. And if you like this video, give it the old thumbs up. If you don't, give it the thumbs down. That's totally cool as well. And if you're new around here and you don't know what we do these sneaker unboxings, and we also stream every Sunday night, which is at 8 o'clock here in the UK, which is at 12 o'clock on the West Coast, which is about 3 o'clock, which is 3 o'clock-ish. No, I don't know. I'm wrong. 12 o'clock in the West Coast, 3 o'clock on the East Coast. Yes, that's right. Oh, what am I talking about? I don't know. All this election stuff has fried my brain. Yeah, so come along and join us where we chat sneakers, see what we've unboxed in the week, look at Instagram, look at the news and all that kind of stuff. But for now, I'm going to say go and watch one of the other videos, which will appear to my right around here. It will be another goodie. Go and take a look.